In the recent years, I've seen a lot of people get scared to charge their phones overnight. They think it's going to overcharge and explode. Note 7 recall in 2017 probably has a role to play in creating this fear. So, is this claim really true? No, it's not. Let's try to understand why. This diagram shows how power flows in a cell phone. The Power Management IC, in short, PMIC, is responsible for managing power within your cell phone. Whenever we connect a charger or a power brick to our cell phone, the PMIC talks to the power brick and figures out how much power it can provide, and then safely directs this power to the battery. The PMIC is sometimes aided by a direct charger in case of fast charging or super fast charging. The PMIC also manages power delivery to your processor, memory, storage, touchscreen, speakers and mic, sensors, etc. Modern cell phones are complex and sophisticated devices with various components. Each of these components have their own voltage and current rating. These components also have their own power up sequence, power down sequence, and also sleep times. The PMIC takes care of all this. The PMIC constantly monitors your battery and all other components and tries to prevent any sort of electrical hazard. It does not allow overcharging. So what happens when you leave your phone to charge overnight? Once the battery reaches 100%, the PMIC automatically reduces current to the battery to safe levels, also called trickle charging, or it could also shut off current to the battery if it detects any issue. So don't worry about charging overnight. You might be wondering, given all the safety precautions, what happened with Note 7? The initial speculation was Note 7 had an overcharging issue, which led to a condition called thermal runaway. Thermal runaway is where external heat or heat produced due to overcharging causes a destructive chemical reaction within a battery, which in turn causes more heat, and the cycle continues until the battery catches fire or explodes due to the buildup of pressure. Sometime after the initial speculation, one customer claimed that his device caught fire when unplugged and turned off on a flight. This contradicts the initial speculation. After a long investigation by Samsung and other independent investigators, they figured out that the main issue was a short circuit within the battery. As you can see in the picture, lithium-ion batteries have thin layers of positive and negative electrodes separated by a separator. The electrodes should not touch each other. If they do, it causes a short. Samsung showed two reasons for shorting. One where the negative electrodes were deflected at the corner of the battery. The other due to penetration of the insulation tape or a missing insulation tape. These causes are not directly related to the PMIC or charging. How can you protect yourself from battery hazards? Look for the following red flags. If a repair is necessary, get it done as soon as possible or replace your phone. What battery issues have you faced so far? Let us know in the comment section. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.